I'm Caroline Barnes and welcome to the Red Lip Bar. This tutorial is all about the power of red. One simple slick, one instant transformation. Do you like to wear red lipstick?
With me, I find I've got quite strong eyebrows, so to have a red lip as well, that just seems a bit much.
With your beautiful dark halo of hair and strong brows, you've actually got the perfect canvas for a red lip. So this is the Liquid Lip, Lipfinity Colour and Gloss. Okay, so you've got beautifully hydrated lips. I'm going to take a touch of foundation and wash that over your lip line to knock back any pinkiness so I can see your lip shape clearly. I'm going to be using Lipfinity Colour and Gloss, and the great thing about this product is that you put the pigment on first and it dries and stays in place, and then you can use the lovely gloss on top to really boost the volume and shape of your lips. Start building up from the interior of the lip and pushing the colour out. Just pat your lips together for me, perfect. I'm just going to take the dough foot out, put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to just put a little bit in my lip brush here. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I really want to accentuate your beautiful Cupid's bow. So just leave it for 60 seconds before you put the gloss coat on. Gorgeous, and just tap your lips together very gently. It's always good not to roll your lips like you would if you had a balm, because you don't want to destroy the pretty shape on your Cupid's bow. So I love the way this red lip looks on you, and your dark hair and brows act as a beautiful frame.
It makes my eyes look crazy, actually, the red of that. It's beautiful, I really like it.
Click on another red lip tutorial and discover the power of red.